Bad man, bad. Yo, Chelsea Cruffin a youth. Must stop support them, right? Must stop support them, bad man. Must stop support them, brother.
Underready, brother. Underready, bad man.
You see it, them stink as shit. Man, them not good, brother.
Spurs have trophy. Shut up, man. Shut up.
See it there? Ball. Boop. Madison. Boop. Skip. Boop. Skip. Madison, you 3-0. Don't play with Madison, you.
Tottenham have trophy. Alright, sit down, shut up and watch him match. You see me cannot know talk. Boop for your trophy. Go boop for your trophy. Boop Champions League. Boop Premier League. You can't boop for your trophy. Alright, just sit down, shut up and watch him match. You see me cannot know talk, dog. You cannot know talk. Humble yourself, brother. Yo, brother, Arsenal lose. Arsenal lose, brother. Against Porto.
Arsenal no good, brother.
You see me?
Yo, CJ. No Spurs will bring. Yeah. You're in a Champions League?
No.
You don't have a trophy?
We have the Tiger Cup and the Audi Cup.
A trophy them there? Answer me.
No.
Alright, so next time I hear clubs with trophies talking, conversing, you keep your mouth shut, okay? Alright?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Keep your mouth locked like a trophy cabinet,
yes,
you see me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, keep it shut. You see me? Lock off. Until we win a trophy, you can't talk, you see me? Yeah, as me I say, Jeff, bro. Like, bruh, Arsenal was full, dog. Like,
Love Tottenham, bro. Love Tottenham. One Tottenham, bro. One Tottenham, bro. The day will come, bro. The day will come. Believe.
I sell that, brother.
Tottenham, guys.